afternoon. So I really apologize with my voice. And today, John wants to talk about what is the ups and downs in marrying Filipina, foreigner, whichever. What do you want to talk to, John?
There are no ups and downs.
No, seriously.
No, I'm serious. Well, in our relationship, I don't find there's any ups and downs, or any inconsistencies, or bad spots between us. It's all hunky-dory, really. No, apart from she doesn't behave herself. She's very. The only thing with this girl, she's messy.
No, I like kissing his underarm. No. Not kissing, but
Don't.
I like kiss.
They'll think there's something wrong with you.
No, you know, my husband smells so good, even though his underarm. So good. That's my addiction.
So you know where else to spray it?
So anyway, magko-coffee lang kami mga palangga kasi tomorrow is another day of working. I am early tomorrow for my work. I am in 12 hours, 12 hours this time, and sobrang hirap magkasakit, pero kailangan mo pa ding magtrabaho kasi kailangan. I feel like I don't want to go to work tomorrow because I'm full of cold and my throat is still so painful. But yun yun ang buhay. Kailangan magtrabaho para kumita ng pera. Kung hindi ka magtatrabaho, walang pera. Tapos so, kakayanin para sa ekonomiya. Diyos ko! I need to take paracetamol tomorrow. And tomorrow, at least may pambaon na ako tomorrow sa trabaho ko kasi binigyan ako ng paella ng kaibigan ko. Pumunta ako sa kaibigan ko today. She is from, ano ba? Saan ba siya? Ilocos ba yun? Iloilo. Iloilo. Sa Iloilo siya. Taga Iloilo siya. So, ayun, binigyan niya ako ng paella at sobrang sarap niyang magluto ng paella, mga palangga. Sobrang talaga. As in, sobrang sarap. At Divine, maraming salamat. Alam ko na hindi mo alam na nagbablog ako, pero maraming salamat. So, anyway, I just gonna iron my uniform to be ready for tomorrow, and I will see you later. Pasensya nyo na talaga mga palangga. I am trying my best. And I hope you appreciate it, and I really appreciate you mga palangga for being with me in this time. Thank you so much. Ay, oh my God, sobrang gutom ko na. Si Mr. mayroon pang customer. Yung oras dito is 5 to 5 na ng hapon. Yun nga, may customer na dumating. So, ayun, until now, wala pa kaming kain. He is a regular customer kasi. So, ayun, yung customer nandoon siya sa kitchen. They're having a coffee or whatever. We will sneak up. Naririnig niyo ba? I don't know if you can hear them. So, umalis na ang customer. So, I am having a paella. Sobrang na-excite talaga ako pag binibigyan ako ni Ate Divine ng paella. Yung paella mga palangga is nilagyan niya ng, I think this is sticky rice. Meron siyang beans, red bell pepper, carrots, spring onions. Sa nakikita ko lang chicken. I think this is raisins. Also, ano ba yung nilagay niya? Onion, garlic, and mushroom, I bet. Pero sobrang sarap na amoy. John really loved this.
Oh yes, it's the finest of the finest.
So magtitira ako for tomorrow. Iinitin ko muna siya. So half lang yung kakainin ko. Kasi yung isang container dadalhin ko sa trabaho tomorrow. Look at that, baby. Sarap. You say sarap.
Masarap. The little princess of Mindanao is sleeping. She's not been very well for the last week. She's got a terrible cold and bad throat and losing her voice, and probably she's been working as well. She wouldn't take the time out, but she would just keep working. Yesterday she did 14 hours, which to me was, you know, she should have stayed off, but anyway, she's determined. She needs to work and, you know, earn her share, you know, and which I respect dearly. So, you know, she's there now resting, and hopefully in a few days she'll be feeling better. So anyway, we'll see how long she sleeps for. So anyway, we'll catch up with you later, guys. Okay, bye for now.
Oh gosh, nakatulog ako mga palangga kasi I really need some sleep. Oh gosh, I am barking like a dog. So anyway, I think the electricity was off because look, it is restored. So 4 o'clock na ng hapon, so time to cook. My chest is very sore. Ano bang kakainin namin ay? Sorry. We'll have pizza, I guess. Laki ng eye bags ko eh. We'll have pork cheese, pizza, and fries. Yun lang. Come on! Come on!
Look what I got!
She's excited. There you are!
Have you lost another key?
I have the key.
Give it me.
Oh. Ah, Pippa, be good to your mama.
It's locked.
It's locked.
No. Phoebe, this is incorrect procedure, isn't it?
Come on.
Can you stop getting so excited?
Freezing today, mga palangga.
It's not freezing, it's just pressure.
Can I have the dog?
Which dog would you like?
The black one.
Your favourite?
Pippa, as always. She's my girl because she's naughty, as always. So we're gonna have a walk because Jan suggested that fresh air is good for my lungs. It's good for me because I'm not been so well.
I can't believe how many Oh, we're on this route again, are we? Long Arm John. That's it. Look at her. The Princess of Mindanao. Still not well. There you go, darling. We need to pick some carrots later.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo mga palangga. We've been flooded because this past few days the rain is pouring down. See? Yan yung pond namin at yung tubig nandito, umabot dito. There, sa gate. You always rush us with my girl. So that's it for me today, mga palangga. I will see you very soon in my next video. And bye! Bye, Pipa! Where are you? Bye, Jan.
Goodbye.
Bye, PB.